With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
A certain organ pipe resonates in its fundamental mode of frequency at 500 Hz in air. What will be the fundamental frequency if the air is replaced by hydrogen at the same temperature? The density of air is 1.2 kg per meter cube and that of hydrogen is 0.089 kg per meter cube. We know that in case of a closed organ pipe, the fundamental frequency nu naught is equal to V by 4L, and in case of an open organ pipe, the fundamental frequency nu naught is equal to V by 2L. From these two formulas, we can see that the fundamental frequency nu naught is proportional to the speed of sound V. Also, for a constant temperature, we can say that the speed of sound V is inversely proportional to root of the density of air. So this formula can be written in terms of ratios. So the speed of sound in case of hydrogen divided by speed of sound in case of air is equal to under root of density of air divided by density of hydrogen. We need to find the fundamental frequency in case of hydrogen. So the fundamental frequency nu naught for hydrogen divided by nu naught of air is equal to speed of sound in case of hydrogen divided by speed of sound for air, which in turn is equal to rho air divided by rho of hydrogen under root. After rearranging, we get nu naught of hydrogen is equal to the density of air is given as 1.2 kg per meter cube and the density of hydrogen is 0.089 kg per meter cube under root, and the fundamental frequency of air is 500 Hz. Upon calculation, we get nu naught H2 is equal to 500 Hz into 3.67. This becomes equal to 1835.7 Hz, or we can say that the fundamental frequency in case of hydrogen is nearly equal to 1836 Hz.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.